Hello everyone. Here we are going to do the miscellaneous exercise of factorization, that is exercise 5e. Now let's see question number 1 of this exercise. Here we have the question. Now we have to rearrange this one as this one. Here I have just copied this x square, and this 1 upon 4x square is written as 1 upon 2x to the whole square. Then this 1 is broken down as 2ab form, that is 2 into x into 1 upon 2x, and then we have taken 7 common from these two. Now we can write this whole expression as x plus 1 upon 2x to the whole square, and then we can take a bracket as a common from these two expressions. After taking common, we are left with one of the bracket, x plus 1 upon 2x, and minus 1 from here. Now let's see question number 3. In question number 3, we are having this with a common denominator. So we are going to just split it first of all. After splitting, we have written this one as a square upon a and 1 upon a. Here, a cancels this square and we are left with ax and 1 upon ax. Now this 1 can also be written as a upon a. We can cancel these two. So I have written in one step back, that is a upon a. Now we are going to take a common of ax from the first two expressions. That is, we can take only x, and we're left with x plus a, and from these two we can take a common of 1 upon a, and we're left with x plus a. Now we can take x plus a as common, and in the first bracket we've got x plus a, and the second bracket 1 upon a. That's the solution for this question. Now let's see question number 5. Here in this question we are having 4 to the power 4 into x to the power 4 plus 9 y to the power 4 plus 11 x square y square. So as they are in the form of the squares, we have to convert them into the whole square, and for that we will split 11 as 12 minus 1, as this can be rearranged as this one, 2, this one is a square, this is b square, and this one is in the form of 2a and b. Now this whole can be written as a plus b to the whole square, and after this we can just write them in the form of a square, a plus b and a minus b, that is 2x square plus 3y square plus xy and 2x square plus 3y square minus xy. Now in question number 8, we are having this expression in which 2a minus 3 to the whole square, and here a minus 1 to the whole square. Then here they have written minus 2 into this bracket and this bracket. So let's assume 2a minus 3 as x and this bracket as y. So here we have assumed this one as x and this one as y, and on replacing it we have got x square minus 2xy and plus y square. That is the expansion of x minus y to the whole square. Now we are going to place the values of x and y. Now let's see question number 10. Here in this question we are having a square minus a, and if we take 4 common from this, we'll again get a square minus a. Here we have got this. Now we can take a square minus a as common as somewhere alphabet like t, and we got this after replacing a square minus a by t. Now we can open this bracket and we will be getting as 4t square minus 5t minus 6. Now we are having this in the form of expression which can be factorized by splitting the middle term. For that we are going to multiply 4 into 6, that will be minus 24, and the factors of 24 are many, but we are going to take with a difference 5, so it will be 8 and 3. So we are going to write minus 5 as minus 8t plus 3t. Here we have split minus 5 as minus 8t plus 3t, as 8 3 are 24 and 6 4 are 24, and this difference of these two is 5. Now we have taken 4t common from the first two and 3 common from the last two. After that we can take the bracket common. Now after this we have to replace the value of t by a square minus a. Now after replacing the value of t, we see that this bracket, in this bracket, this can be further factorized by splitting the middle term. We have got this expression as minus a can be written as minus 2a plus a, and the product of these two is 2. Then this is being opened and this can't be further breakdown, so this will be just copied. And here from these two we have taken a as common, and from this one we have taken only 1. Now we can take the bracket a minus 2 as common from these two. And finally we are left with a minus 2, a plus 1 and this whole bracket as the answer for this question. Now let's see question number 15. We have got this expression and we see that here we are having x minus y as common to the whole square, and if we take minus 5 common from these two, we will be again getting x minus y as the factor from here. Now after getting this, we can assume x minus y as any other variable like a, and now after replacing x minus y by a, we have got this expression. Now this is in a form of the expression which can be factorized by splitting the middle term. Now 3 into 12 is 36. Now factors of 36 which will have a difference of 5 is 9 and 4. So we are going to split this minus 5 as minus 9 and plus 4. That is 3 minus 9a plus 4a minus 12a square. Now we are going to take common of 3 from the first two and 4a from the last two. And after that we can take the bracket as common. Then we can replace the value of a by x minus y. That is this much. We have first of all replaced it and then we are going to open the bracket and we have got this expression. Then let's see question number 18. Here we are having this expression. First of all we are going to convert this to the form of whole square and this one also in the form of whole square as this one. Then we can apply the identity a square minus b square as this. Then we are going to solve the brackets by taking the LCM in both of the cases. After taking LCM and solving it, we have got this, and then we are going to just solve the like terms in both of the cases. Then after solving we have got this, and then we have multiplied this 4 and we have got this expression. That's all from this exercise. Thank you.